Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrust YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the day 2 of Nmap Practical Series. So guys, in today's video, we will discuss about the port scanning methods. So guys, as discussed, we will learn about some of the practical lab questions and we will learn about the Nmap commands like how to discover or how to scan the ports. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's video. So here you can see we have the complete playlist of Nmap Practical Lab questions. So guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends. And guys, remember, this playlist is going to be a most powerful weapon for your cybersecurity journey. So guys, subscribe to CyberCast YouTube channel. So guys, before moving towards the practical question, let's know what is a port scanning. So guys, port. As we know, in our system, we have some of the physical ports. As of the physical ports, we have some of the virtual ports also. So these ports, or we can say these are the open doors. So we use these ports to build a network. So guys, here you can see we have the definition and here we have some of the commands. So guys, you can check these commands. And guys, here you can see we have the practical lab questions. So in this video, we are going to solve this all questions and we will learn the commands of Nmap to scan the ports. So guys, let's move towards the lab environment and let's start solving these questions. So guys, here you can see we have our Kali Linux as our attacking machine and here we have the Metasploitable 2, the victim or target machine. So let's power on these machines. So guys, now you can see we have set up our environment, the lab environment. So before scanning the ports, we need to find the target IP. So we'll move towards the Metasploitable 2 and here I will use the command ifconfig to check the target IP. So guys, here you can see we got our target IP. So we'll use this IP to scan the ports. So now let's move towards the first question. So guys, here we have our first question. Like what command executes the default TCP sync self scan? So guys, to establish a TCP sync scan, we doesn't perform a full connection. Usually we send a sync packet and we wait for the acknowledgement request. And after getting an acknowledgement flag, we simply send the reject packet and disconnect the connection. So to solve this question, we need the sudo permission. Sudo nmap and then -s and capital S. Then here I will write the target IP and we'll give enter. So guys, here you can see we got the open ports and we solved the first question. So now let's move to the second one. So guys, here we have our second question. Like you don't have root privilege on your Kali machine. How do you perform a full TCP connect scan? So guys, before solving this question, remember when you are trying to establish a TCP connect scan, we don't need the sudo permission. So to solve this, like here, I will simply write the command nmap -st and here we will write the target IP and give a enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result and we got the open ports. Guys, here we have our third question. Like Metasploitable 2 runs vulnerable UDP services. How do you scan the top 50 most common UDP ports? So guys, just remember UDP is a connectionless scanning. So when we scan for the UDP ports, it sends a UDP packets, but as of this is connectionless, what we will do? Nmap waits for ICMP port unreachable request, so which determines the ports are closed. But here we will use a flag like top 50 ports and we will establish the connection or we will check for the ports. So I will write the command here like sudo nmap and -su and here I will use a flag top ports and here I will give 50 and we will enter the target IP. Give enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result and we solved the third question. So now let's move to the fourth one. So guys, here we have our fourth question. Like how do you scan a continuous range of ports 1 to 1000 alongside one specific port? 3306. Like in this question, we have to scan the ports from 1 to 1000 and another one 3306. So let's solve this question. So guys, here I will write the command nmap -p. So -p specifies the port, and here I will enter like from 1 to 1000, and we will use a comma and then 3306 and then space, and we will enter the target IP and we'll give enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result, and here you can see we got the port numbers from 1 to 1000, and here at last you can see we have the 3306 port number. So guys, we solved the fourth question. Now it's time for the fifth one, or the final question. So guys, here we have the fifth question. Like, how do you perform a fin scan which is something used to bypass the stateless firewall? So guys, to bypass a firewall, so we use the fin flag, or we use the fin scan. So here I will write the command like sudo nmap -s f, and here I will write the target IP and we can give an enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result. So guys, I think you got a rough idea about the port scanning methods using the Nmap. So guys, in the upcoming video, we will learn more things about the Nmaps and we will solve more exciting questions. So guys, like this video, share with your friends, and guys, subscribe to CyberCrust YouTube channel. Thank you.